Membership websites are everywhere today. From online courses and private communities to premium content hubs and coaching platforms, more and more creators are turning their knowledge into membership businesses. But if you've ever wondered how to actually build one, it can be a little bit overwhelming at first. Hey there, I'm Carmen, and today we're going to build a complete membership site step by step using the paid member subscriptions plugin. By the end of this video, you'll have a registration page, a login page, membership plans, and members-only content. Everything running directly into WordPress. Let's jump right in. First, we need to install the plugin that will power the membership system. Go to Plugins, then search for Paid Member Subscriptions. Click Install and then Activate. Once activated, you'll see a new section in your admin dashboard. This is where we'll manage everything related to our membership site. Great! The first step is done. Next, let's create the plans people can subscribe to. Go to Paid Member Subscriptions, Subscription Plans, and click on Add New Subscription Plan. Here you can define your membership plan. For example, the name Premium Membership. Then you need to set the price, the billing duration, or whether it's a recurring or a one-time payment. You can also create multiple tiers for this plan if you want, such as a downgrade named Basic Membership or an upgrade like a VIP membership. However, if you want your plans to be individual and not upgrades or downgrades, you can simply use the Add New Subscription Plan button instead. Next, let's create a pricing page. This page will display all your membership plans in one place, so visitors can see them clearly before signing up. Back on the subscription plans page, right at the top, you'll also see a button that says Create Pricing Page. Go ahead and click it. Add the plans you want to display, choose a design that fits your website, and hit Submit. Now you can open the page and start customizing it a bit. For example, you can add features for each plan, so visitors can clearly see what they're getting. Things like premium content access, exclusive resources, or priority support. You can also change the text on the Buy Now button. For instance, you might want something like Sign Up or Get Started, depending on the style of your website. And one nice thing here is that the button is already configured to automatically add the selected plan to the cart, so users don't have to manually choose it during checkout. And that's it. Now anyone coming to your site can see all your options in one place, which eases decision making and makes signing up way more comfortable. Congrats! Your membership plans are ready. Now we need to give users the possibility to register and log into their member accounts. The Paid Member Subscriptions plugin automatically creates all user-related pages upon activation. So let's take a closer look at the register page that was created. When you open this page, you'll see a registration form where users can enter their account details, choose a subscription plan, and complete the sign-up process. You can customize it to your liking. For example, you might change its title or add a bit of text explaining why people should sign up on your site. This is also the page your visitors would land on after choosing a plan from your pricing table. Although in that case, the plan they picked would be automatically selected. The registration form itself is generated automatically by the plugin and is connected directly to your membership plans. But if you ever want to customize the way it looks, you can do so by going to Paid Member Subscriptions, Settings, Design and User Experience. From here, you can choose a style that better suits your website or even enter a custom CSS. After that, click Save Settings and the changes will be visible on the front end. Next, let's look at the login page. Just like the registration page, the plugin created it automatically. This page allows members to log in directly from the front end of your site. Instead of using the default login screen, your users can access their account from a page that matches the design of your website. This creates a much smoother experience for your platform. In order for your users to actually be able to purchase your plans though, you also want to set up payments. To do that, go to Paid Member Subscriptions, Settings, Payments. From here, you can choose your preferred payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal and connect it to your website. Once that's configured, your membership plans will be ready to accept real payments from users. The final step is deciding which content should be exclusive to your members. This step is actually really important because it's the main reason people will sign up in the first place. If everything on your website is already public, then there's no real incentive for people to become members. To restrict a page or post, simply edit the content that you want to protect. Then scroll down to the content restriction section. Here you can choose which membership plans are allowed to access that content. For example, you could restrict a page to users subscribed to the premium membership plan. Anyone without that subscription will either see a message or be redirected, depending on your settings. In my case, I want to redirect non-members to the registration page so they can sign up, purchase a plan, and gain access. After that, all you have to do is click Save Page and you're done. And that's the foundation of a WordPress membership site. You can start simple like this and gradually expand your platform with additional features, like sending subscription renewal reminders or offering exclusive discounts to your members, for which I already have tutorials up and running on the channel. Make sure to check them out. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for even more WordPress and membership tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of membership site are you planning to build, and would you like to see me do a more specific setup in the future? Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you in the next one.